What's going on, Crypto Yang Gang? It's your boy Crypto Yang back in a full effect. So I made a video only about 10-15 minutes ago about ELDERHASH. I invested $50 into this. I made my deposit, and the deposit has come through in less than about 15-20 minutes. When I first made this video, the first video, it was at about 150 gigahashes per second, which is what you get for free just for signing up on the website using my referral link. You will get that for free. You'll get it for free regardless of whether you use it or not. But yeah, I have the website listed on the comments and in the description of the video. All right. So currently I have 487 Satoshis. If you saw in the first video, which I have a link in I have the link of the first video that'll teach you how to get signed up and teach you what you need to do to get started with this website. I'm not a professional consultant or advisor. I'm not a financial consultant or advisor. I'm simply somebody who is out here giving you my personal opinion. Do your own research. Make sure that if you're gonna invest in something that you're willing to lose your money, because this is all pure gamble and risk. This is a pure gamble, you guys. If you want to ride with me, then the link is on the comments and it's also in the description. Currently, I'm getting about 1 Satoshi every 2 seconds, maybe even a second. The last time I looked at it, it took about 15 seconds just to get 1 Satoshi. So my $50 deposit is making this rise a lot faster, by about 7.5 times faster. Okay, I'm going to show you my deposit here. I made the $50 deposit. As you can see, the transaction is right here. There is a 0.00581 deposit that is complete. It shows 1 deposit. The minimum deposit amount is 0.0015, and I did put 0.00581. So the minimum amount that you can put in is about $15. The maximum amount, as you can see, is a very large amount. Anyway, the minimum amount that you can withdraw is going to be about $5, okay? So I figure every day I should be able to make a withdrawal with a $50 investment. You do have to wait 24 hours after you sign up before you can make your withdrawal. So that is one stipulation on withdrawals, okay? So I'm going to come here and I'll make my withdrawal tomorrow. I'll update you guys with a video on that. As you can see, there are now 12,920 active users. There were a lot less, well, not a lot less, but there were less on the first video, which was only 15 minutes ago, okay? Current price, Bitcoin is on there as well if you want to see that. If you want to learn how to get started with this website, click on the link that says how to get started. It's actually not going to be called how to get started. It's called ELDERHASH Cloud Mining Review, but I will put how to get started next to it so you know which link to click on, okay? Hopefully this website is going to work out. I've tried other websites and haven't had any good luck with them, but this is day 1 of their website, so hopefully we can make some money off of this early. This is the time to jump in if you're going to take this gamble. Jump in now. In 10 days you'll get your money back. In 10 more days you'll have another 100%, so you will double your investment in 20 days. Okay, so my $50 will turn into $100 in 20 days. Let's see what happens. We're going to do a 20-day review. So I'll be updating you guys on the daily. Make sure that you subscribe to the video, share the video, like the video, hit the notification bell so that you get instant updates on this website from me. And we'll see what happens, okay? Like I said, at 100 subscribers, I will be doing an Ethereum giveaway, so make sure you subscribe and you make sure you tell your friends and your family to subscribe as well. So yeah, this is it. Let's see if we can make some money off of this, yeah? Y'all have a good night. Hopefully you guys take a gamble with me. If not, that's cool. Just follow me and just see what happens.